Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use pleater hooks. These clever little devices are key to transforming flat fabric into beautifully pleated drapery. We'll cover everything from selecting the right hook for your project to the simple steps of attaching them securely. You'll learn how to achieve that polished, custom look for your windows with ease, making your curtains truly stand out. When selecting pleater hooks, consider your curtain style. Pin-on hooks are popular for their flexibility, working well with pinch pleats or goblet pleats. For a more integrated and permanent solution, sew-in hooks are ideal, providing a very secure hold. Adjustable hooks offer the benefit of fine-tuning your pleat depth and spacing, giving you precise control over the fine. With your controllers paired, it's time to launch the game. Turn on your television and use your TV remote to select the correct HDMI input where your switch is connected. You should see the Nintendo Switch home screen. Use your controller to navigate to the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe game icon. Once highlighted, press the button to launch the game and prepare for some exciting races. With your pleater hooks attached, it's time to hang your beautiful curtains. Simply connect the hooks directly to your curtain rod rings or gliders. Make sure to space them consistently across the rod to ensure an even and balanced drape. Take a moment to make any minor adjustments to the pleats, gently shaping them for that perfect, polished appearance. Enjoy your professionally finished windows.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.